Hey YouTube, this is a 2015 Subaru Crosstrek, and we have a problem in which the wiper fluid low indicator, even after replacing the fluid, as you can see this reservoir is full of blue fluid, even though we did that, it's still showing that we're low on wiper fluid. I've looked into this, tried to find ways to actually just fix it, but it doesn't seem like there's an easy way to fix it. So what I'm going to do is just pull out this connector here. This connector goes in right like that. If you pop that out, it disables the sensor, and no more warning light. We also won't know when we're low on fluid unless we hit the button and no fluid comes out, but for us that's okay. I just wanted to show this because it's kind of hard to find videos on how to do this. So I had to pull this panel off. There's a whole panel that sits underneath here, and pull this panel back, take out all the clips. That's a whole nother item of frustration in and of itself. But if you pull those clips out, you have access to this. You just kind of got to squeeze. It's got a little you can see there's a little depression tab on the back side of this, and of course it's on the far side, so that when you push it, you really got to press down on that and it pops right out. So I'm going to wrap this in electrical tape and then just leave it disconnected. And hopefully somebody else finds this interesting and helpful. And I know it's not a perfect solution, but if that gets that light to go away, then that's a good thing. All right, thank you.